iPhone 3G back housing replacement. As you can see, there's a lot of parts to it. Here's the phone with the red one. Pretty nice, I must say. $4 to replace. Jailbroken. Cool picture. Many parts. One part left over, which I forget where it goes. This little piece here. Somewhere is with the headphone jack. I'm gonna have to take that apart again and put it in. But it works. Although no SIM installed yet. Pretty nice around the edging. Even the red SIM holder. It's nice. Parts. This cover. These things, I don't know what they were for, but pretty cool. Came with this too. $12. Around 15 with shipping. Took set up to 15 days, but actually took around 7 days to get here, which I was surprised. All the SIM tools that I bought. One $1.99, although broke one. Two. There's another one too. Oh, here it is. I bought an extra set. I heard they break easily. Broke one, two, and bent to another one. So I have one good one left. I have to buy more of those, I think. Send you with this. Pretty nice guitar pick, I guess. Looks like. I don't know why they sent that, but in the housing they sent that too. All the low buttons. The bezel they sent plastic, cheap. Didn't use the original one. Here's the old cover. Same material, I think. Pretty good quality. Very nice, I must say. Recommend people doing this. They want a different color back. Very nice. It's flushed. The one on Apple II is flushed too. The lettering, I don't know. It's about the same, I think. The back feels the same. Give you a little button, very cheap, with a diffuser too for the, or I guess not a lens, not a diffuser. There's no flash on it. Also the inner part too for the, I guess, touch LCD touchscreen. Works quite well. Very nice. Feels plastic, but It's okay. This too, I don't know what that for. I guess like something with the LCD. Lens cap, I guess, for the inside of the lens holder. The antenna. This I couldn't get work, so I used the original one. Because it's like a mount for the internal headphones. But all in all, pretty nice. Got instructions from iFixit.com and Digifix or Digi something. I just searched the web and you can find it. It's pretty easy. Very good instructions. You'll like it. Thank you. Take it easy, guys. Peace out.